Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a virtual event job with Eventbrite. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Creating a profile on Eventbrite is your first step. Visit the Eventbrite website and click sign up if you don't have an account. Fill in the required information and verify your email. Once you're logged in, explore the platform to understand its features. Next, search for virtual events that interest you. Take note of the roles and responsibilities listed in job postings. Tailor your resume to reflect relevant experience in virtual events. Highlight skills like communication, organization, and tech savviness. Craft a compelling cover letter expressing your enthusiasm for virtual events. Include specific examples of past experiences that relate to the job. Now, navigate to the Eventbrite job board. Use filters to search for virtual event job openings. Apply to positions that match your skill set and interests. Ensure that your application is complete, with all necessary documents attached. After applying, follow up with a friendly email to express continued interest. While waiting, increase your knowledge by taking online courses in event management. Participate in virtual networking events to meet industry professionals. Stay active on LinkedIn by connecting with event managers and companies. Keep an eye on your inbox for interview invitations. Prepare thoroughly for interviews by researching the company and role. Practice common interview questions related to virtual events. Finally, don't hesitate to ask questions about the company culture during interviews. With persistence, you'll be on your way to securing a position in the virtual events space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.